from this beautiful stitch, and I'm calling it Twinkle Stars because I don't know what the name is, but it does look like it. So this is very, very cute. And this is, I'm already making gloves, fingerless gloves with it. This is how it looks, and it's really, really nice. So let's go with the first row, and the first and third row are on the wrong side of your work. So this is the way it goes. You're going to row number 1, you knit 2, and then with your yarn in front, you're going to pass 1 purlwise, and see how it automatically makes a yarn over, because now I'm going to knit 3. See how it goes over my needle? I'm going to knit 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's do the repetition again. Yarn in front, pass 1 purlwise, and my yarn is in front, and now I'm going to knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that again. We bring your yarn to the front and pass 1 purlwise, and then the last 2 you knit. Okay, so row number 2, you're going to purl 2, and with your yarn in front, because you're purling, you're going to pass those 2 purlwise, those 2 stitches. See that long one and the next, and then yarn over this way, so around your needle and to the front, and then purl 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's do that again. Your yarn is in front because you're purling. You're going to pass those 2 purlwise, and then you are going to purl, yarn over, and purl 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that again. You pass those 2 stitches purlwise, yarn over, and the last 2 you purl. Row number 3, you are going to knit 2 stitches, bring your yarn to the front, and purl those 3 stitches together. You don't need to count them because they're clustered together anyway. You go and purl those 3 stitches together. Do not take them off your needle. Yarn over from the back to the front, and then purl those 3 stitches together again. Now you replace them, they're right there. So now we're going to knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to repeat this. We're going to purl 3 together. Do not take them off your left needle. Yarn over and purl them together again, and knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, you're going to go in and purl those 3 stitches together, yarn over, and purl them together again, and then the last 2 you knit. Okay, row number 4, you're going to purl 1, and now let's make those petals or rays or whatever you want to call them. You're going to knit those 2 stitches together, knit 1 and knit the next 2 stitches together through the back of the loops. And purl 1. So again, you're going to knit those 2 stitches together, knit 1, knit the next 2 stitches together through the back of the loops, and purl 1. Again, we're going to knit those 2 stitches together, knit 1, knit the next 2 stitches together through the back of the loops, and end with purl 1. And that's it. Look how pretty that looks. And this is the way it looks in the fingerless gloves. And this is very, very pretty stitch. Thank you very much for watching. Please share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.